Today it's Tay Day. It's my birthday. Y'all, I woke up this morning feeling so good and feeling so blessed because like life is really short, and I think we sometimes take life for granted like it's just a given, and it's really not. So every morning when I wake up, I feel good. I feel blessed to see another day, but I really feel good because I really feel blessed to see like another birthday. Like, I feel good. So to enjoy this day, I'm kicking it off by flying over New York City. Some of you guys probably know, I've been staying in New York for like, 6 months now? And I've been to the city quite often. I've traveled most of the boroughs. But they say flying over New York City is a different experience. So I'm trying to experience it. I'm trying to see what it's about. So I'm about to walk into the building. I am here. Hello, good morning. Doing good.
What time is it for?
9 o'clock.
Can I have your name?
Taisha Million.
Cool.
Say hi.
So can I have you step right here on the corner and
Okay.
You don't gotta show YouTube.
Oh,
You wanna show them your weight.
my weight.
Alright, thank you.
I'm not this heavy as this jacket.
Okay, you're all set. Did
Okay.
you sign a waiver on it?
Oh no.
No. It's a, so I just need you to fill this one out.
It is freezing.
So just need you to fill this out for me. And then once you're done, bring it back with your ID, okay?
Okay.
You can have a seat if you want.
Okay.
Alright.
So y'all, I'm about to fill out this waiver.
The safety video. Once the video's done, we're going to talk to you guys about the flight, and then we're going to get going.
All right.
All right.
Welcome to Fly Nyan, one of the most exciting experiences in flying. Soon you'll be seeing your favorite city like never before. But first, let's go over a few things to ensure everyone's safety. By now, you'll have met your Fly Nyan liaison. They will guide you through each step of your experience. Passengers must completely empty their pockets prior to boarding the aircraft.
The blue lines, you stay within the blue lines at all times, okay? Just to
Okay.
make sure you're in a safe zone for running aircraft.
So right now we're getting into the helicopter, all strapped up. Safety first. I'm right beside the pilot. We made it through. Oh, boy. So my birthday is off to like a good start. About to head back to the hotel because I'm sleepy. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning because we had to be here an hour and 30 minutes. No, it was an hour and 15 minutes before our scheduled flight time. So I'm like a little sleepy and I need my energy for the rest of the day because I have a lot more planned for today. Definitely got to fix this eyelash because I can't go nowhere for the rest of the day with this eyelash hanging like this. So thank you guys for watching.